welcome back to another science video. Today we are going to talk about plant reproduction. Are you ready? Let's go! But first, let's check on our expected learnings. It is expected to us identify flower parts and how they reproduce. Let's continue. First, let's talk about parts of a flower. A flower. This is a flower, and as you can see, it has many parts. But today, we are going to center only on a few of them. Remember, this is linked to your science book, so at any time you can pause the video to complete your assignment. This is a petal, and this is the pistil. These are the stamen, pollen, ovary, and that red dot in the middle are the ovule. If you did take notes, please continue. If don't, you can pause the video. Let's continue. Let's talk about ferns and spores. Remember, plants use flowers in order to reproduce. But what about plants without flowers? How do they reproduce? Some plants reproduce by spores. What are spores? Typically one cell reproductive unit capable of giving rise to a new individual without sexual fusion. This means that ferns don't have sexual fusion. They reproduce asexually by spores. Those brown are the spores. And ferns reproduce by the spores. Now, where are they found? ¿Dónde las podemos encontrar? Where are they found? Spores are characteristic of lower plants, fungi, and protozoans. And ferns are lower plants. Interesting facts. Let's check what we have learned. Ferns are reproduced by spores. Plants reproduce by flowers. Pollination is the sending of pollen to other plants. Fertilization is the joining of ovules and pollen grains. Fertilization occurs among plants of the same species. Take these facts as points of view of the plants. Not all the plants need flowers to reproduce. Now, talking about fruits. There are fruits, grains, and roots. Plants produce all kinds of foods. For example, the radish, which is a root. The garlic, which also is a root. Peas, called fruits. Cabbage, which are leaves. Artichoke, which is all composed by leaves. Beetroot, as the name indicates, it is a root. If you get here, thank you so much for your attention and see you next time. Bye.